What is going on YouTube? Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As you can see, snowing in Poland. Look at the state on this beard. I know, that's alright though. Honestly, I'm having the best time. Experiencing this in the snow is just a complete net of vibe. What are you saying, Max? Get in on this.
Amazing.
Amazing?
But cold.
Cold but amazing. So where are we at the minute?
Never used to snow like this.
No, we don't get this back in the UK, I'll be honest with you, very, very often. Not where we live anyway, so it's a nice little vibe. So yeah, where are we?
We are in the former
You're thinking of this now, aren't you?
Jewish district.
Former Jewish district, and we're going to take a little walk over to the square, really. So
Yeah.
just wanted to give you a little look on so you can see exactly what is happening, but just like the vibe at the minute, like honestly, coming here, it is incredible. Normally we get off the plane, we're used to like warm holidays, warm destinations. What are you saying, Megs?
Get off that boiling hot heat.
So yeah, this is a complete nut of vibe. Look at that, I've even ruined my new hat, but that's all right. Come on with the show. So as we're rolling through, as you can see, the snow is what's forecast for this evening, but it has started early. But as you can see, distracted now for all the car people, yeah. This is a perfect opportunity to plug Viking Views, my other YouTube channel. That 36, yeah boy, gorgeous. But yeah, and of course you've got to get used to driving on the wrong side of the road. Steering wheel's on the left hooker side. It's all right though, it's a good bit of vibes. But yeah, this is gorgeous. Anyway, on with the show. As I keep saying, but I promise we are going to get there. It's a bit slippery underfoot, it is, but we're getting there slowly. I really wanted to go on one of these scooters, but Meg's was having none of it, so you know. Oh, we've got some car sharing vibes going on. It's taking it all in, and there's a lot to take in. Even just the walk here, it's been about a 20-minute walk from the main square in this weather. Honestly, it's been delightful. Those would be a bit of fun. Right, so as we continue the journey, as you can see, the snow, yeah, still coming down. Gorgeous building. But check out this old omnibus over here. This is what got my attention. It's a museum of technology, apparently, but this is cool, isn't it? So that would have been horse-drawn. That's a vibe. Nice to see a thing fully restored like that. And we are continuing it as we go. I love that building. Poland has some gorgeous looking architecture, I'll be honest with you. But yeah, just look at the streets filling up with snow and everything. Awesome. Now we'll keep rolling and we'll speed up and we'll get there when we get there. Right, so being the car person that I am, then yeah, Toyota FJ. These are awesome. I've always wanted one, 4-litre V6. I tell you what, that'd be a hell of a weekend toy, wouldn't it? Awesome. But just check out this as well. How gorgeous is this? For all the little food carts and everything that you got in here. Completing that vibe, honestly. I'm loving it around here. I really, really am. But yeah, that, awesome. So we're getting a bit closer to where we want to go. To be fair, I think it's like all of the area, not just like one certain point. It's like when you're in America and go to like a national park, it's like you're there for a while sort of thing. But yeah, I'm loving it. I really am enjoying it. And the snow has just made it so much more, I don't know even what the word is, just a vibe. Incredible, really. It's awesome. Really, really is. Cobbles though, slippery. What's that? Reach the steps? Yeah. What's that? 10,000 steps so far, is it? That's the thing, you got to get out here and just see the world. But I want to just live, I want to thrive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, what you don't fall.
No, I don't think I was as prepared.
Yeah, let's just take us around this corner. I think this is where we're going to end the video, boys and girls. So here we go, journey to destination in mind for this video anyway. We've arrived. It's mind-blowing. It's one of those things. Honestly, so much stuff obviously happened here over the years. Well, not far off 100 years ago now. And just coming along and just living in history and just experiencing it. And it just takes you back. You can just imagine what this would be like during that wartime era, etc. It is mind-blowing. There's loads of places you can literally just come along, pay your respects, etc. And I think that's really, really good. But you know, you've seen enough of me traipsing through the snow in this video, haven't you? But there's probably many, many more to come yet. So just stay tuned, stick around, and yeah, peace and love as per usual. What are you saying, Megs? Anything you want to add? Poland, come on, give it to him. What are you saying?
It's so peaceful here though,
It's gorgeous. It is really, really gorgeous.
Like considering we're in a city, it's really peaceful.
It's eerie.
Yeah.
Eerie peaceful is what it is. But until you know, my guy comes through in a nice little Porsche. Yeah, this might be the nice little end to the video. What are we saying? Until next time. Peace.